To save a radio station as a preset, you first need to go to the Media Radio screen. Once there, choose which radio you would like to save the preset for. Radio presets can be saved as a combination of satellite radio, FM, or AM stations. Once you're on the radio that you wish to choose, pick a station, switch to it by pushing down on the iDrive controller. Push down on the iDrive controller once more to bring up the preset list. From here, you can turn the iDrive controller right or left, and finally push down on the controller once again to assign the station to the numbered preset that you desire.